Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Dr. Saif Ullah, and I welcome you to the new video about financial modeling by using Microsoft Excel. In the earlier video, we have explained the Microsoft Excel functions and formulas. The link of that video is shown in the upper right corner of your screen as well as placed in the description of this video. This video is about the Microsoft Excel operation symbols that we can use in formulas. We can use different mathematical as well as logical symbols in formulas. For writing formulas, Microsoft Excel has a standard set of math operators for performing addition, subtraction, multiplication, and exponentation. The symbols used for these operators are: for add, we will use plus sign, and it can be placed by using shift plus equal to, or we can use number pad if we have. For subtraction, we can use number pad, or for multiplication, we can press shift plus 8 or use number pad. For division, we can use number pad. Percentage can be inserted by shift plus 5. Exponents can be computed by pressing shift plus 6. Column is a range operator which produces one reference to all the cells between two references, including the two references. Comma is known as union operator, which combines multiple references into one reference. Space is also used as a operation symbol in Microsoft Excel. The space is an intersection operator which produces a reference to cells common to the two references. Parentheses are also used as Microsoft Excel's operation symbols. Parentheses can be inserted by using shift plus 9 and shift plus 0. Parentheses are most widely used in Microsoft Excel formulas. Now we are going to apply these operations and to perform different calculations. For example, we want to add these two values. We can simply press equal to 130 plus 12, enter, and the addition will be performed. Similarly, we want to subtract 130 minus 12 equal to 130 minus 12. Answer will be calculated. To divide values, equal to 130 divided by 15 and press enter. The answer will be computed. To multiply, equal to 15 multiply by 6 and the answer is computed, that is 90. For exponent, we want to calculate 6 raised to power 2 equal to 6 raised to power 2, and that's 36, and its formula is. Similarly, we want to convert this number into percentage form. After selecting cell, we will simply press percentage sign on the toolbar and it will be converted into percentage form. Microsoft Excel has some logical operators as well. Microsoft Excel's logical operators are used in formulas to perform comparisons and to build formula criteria. Logical operators can be used in formulas on their own or combined with each other and or with other functions. The logical functions are equal to, and that can be inserted by the left of the backspace key. Greater than, that will be inserted by pressing shift plus dot. Greater than or equal to, that is shift plus dot and equal to sign. Less than, shift plus comma. Less than or equal to, shift plus comma and shift equal to sign. Not equal to, shift plus comma and shift plus dot. Join and sign, and it can be inserted by shift plus 7. Normally, logical operators provide answers in true or false. Let's try logical operators. We want to compare two values and returns true if both values are equal, else return false. Equal to 130 equal to 130. And that's true that both these values are equal. This function can also be used in text form if we want to check that whether these texts in two different cells are equal or not. If you see the formula, there are 2 times equal to signs before the start and between the cells. Before the start equal to sign is for formulas, and equal to sign between these references is used as logical operator. Next we want to check greater than. It returns true if value in first cell is greater than the value in the second cell. Equal to first cell greater than second. Press enter and that's false. As both these values are equal, so Microsoft Excel returns that these values are not greater than. Might be less than or equal to, but not the greater than. We have changed the second value as 131 and still the answer shows that it's false as first value is smaller than the second value. Similarly, we can compute greater than or equal to. It returns true if the value in the first cell is greater than or equal to the value in the second cell. Equal to 130 greater than equal to 130, and the answer is true as these values are equal to. So Microsoft Excel returned that it is true that these two values are greater than or equal to with each other. Less than equal to first value, less than second value, and it returns true if first value is less than the second value. But Microsoft Excel returned false as both these values are equal. Less than or equal to first value, less than or equal to second value, and it will return true if the first value is less than or equal to the second value. Not equal to first value and not equal to sign the second value, and it returns true if both values are not equal to. Both these values are equal, so Microsoft Excel returned that it's false that both these values are not equal to. Join operators can be used to combine text from different cells into one cell, like Saif and the second cell where Ullah is given, and press enter. The Saif Ullah will be appeared in the third cell. In this way, we can use join function to combine text from different cells into one cell. When evaluating a formula, Microsoft Excel follows a standard math protocol called order of operations. In general, Microsoft Excel order of operations follows an acronyms PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, but with some customization to handle the formula syntax in the spreadsheet. First, any expression in the parentheses are evaluated. Parentheses essentially override the normal order of operations to ensure certain operations are performed first. Next, Microsoft Excel will solve range references like colon, comma, and space. In the next step, Microsoft Excel will perform exponentation, negation, and percentage conversion, followed by multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Finally, Microsoft Excel will evaluate logical operators if present. In this table, we have ordered that which calculation will be performed on priority basis. Parentheses will be solved on the priority basis. Then range references will be solved. After that, negation will be solved. In the fourth step, percentage will be converted. In fifth step, exponentation will be solved. In sixth step, multiplication and division. In seventh step, addition and subtraction. In eighth step, connect two strings of text. And in ninth step, comparison or logical functions will be used. Let's have an examples. We have 5 minus 2 multiplied by 4, but 5 minus 2 in the parentheses, and we will write start the parentheses 5 minus 2 multiplied by 4. Microsoft Excel will solve the parentheses value, that is 5 minus 2, that is 3, multiplied by 4, the answer will be 12. Then range function will be used. Simply we can calculate the sum of values. Microsoft Excel will firstly compute the sum, then perform any other functions. In negation functions, we have two examples. We have minus 3 raised to power 2 and we know that the square of any negative value will be in positive, so equal to minus 3 raised to power 2, and enter. The answer is positive 9. We want negative sign, as it is equal to minus, start the parenthesis, 3 raised to power 2. Now 3 raised to power 2 will be computed, that is 9, and after that minus will be added, that is minus 9. In next function we have 5% into 100 equal to 5% multiplied by 100. Firstly, Microsoft Excel will convert 5 into percentage form, that is 0.05, then multiply by 100, that is 5. In exponent, again we have two examples. The first is 5 raised to power 2 into 2. Microsoft Excel will firstly solve the exponent form and then multiply by 2. 5 raised to power 2, that is 25, and multiply by 2, that is 50. And if 5 raised to power 2 into 2 in parentheses, then firstly Microsoft Excel will multiply 2 into 2, that is 4, and 5 raised to power 4 is 625. Then multiplication and division, multiply by 3 plus 2 divided by 2. Can you guess that what will be the answer of this? Firstly, Microsoft Excel will start left to right calculations. 5 into 3, that is 15, plus 2 divided by 2, that is 1. So our answer is 16. Then 15 minus 18 divided by 6. Firstly, Microsoft will perform division function, that is 18 divided by 6, that is 3. 15 minus 3, that is 12. Next, 18 divided by 6 minus 15. Now Microsoft Excel will firstly perform division function, that is 18 divided by 6, that is 3, minus 15, that is minus 12. So that's all about the Microsoft Excel mathematical and logical operators. In most of the formulas, we will use these mathematical as well as logical operators to perform different calculations. That's all for the today's video. If you have any question related to finance or financial modeling, you can contact us. We will try our best to provide you best answers. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.